Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I've been looking at some of these gorgeous 4C to hair textures in wigs, and they are just stunningly gorgeous. I love especially the ones with the edges that mimic our hair so beautifully. And I believe it's the human hair versions that you can, maybe it's the synthetic ones too, that you can use heat so that if you want to make it straighter, just like we do with our hair, you have that yin and that yang, that kind of balance. But I'm not going to lie, some of the prices of these units are just astronomical. So if you can just see what I'm talking about. Now these might be human hair wigs, but look how gorgeous these are. But look at those prices. So I kind of took the coward's way out this time. I want texture, but I just want to do it on a budget. And there's some things that I may have to sacrifice on, like one with the edges I can really mimic, but we're just going to have to do that. And that is what brings me to today's unit. So I found something in Outre in the Daily Wig series, and something that has some length. It's cut very simply, something that just gives me kind of a boho festival kind of vibe to it. And so let me introduce you to Jamelia. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. She kind of covers all the bases for me, just very simple. Middle part, really nice layers to frame the face. And length. I really wanted something with some length. And here's a quick look at her specialty colors. She has a natural texture and volume. She is heat tolerant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. She has there's the pre-attached elastic band and a hand-tied lace part. I went ahead and purchased her in 1B, and I want you to see the texture on her. And she seemingly has a very nice density. I'm not going to know until I get this on my head. Here's your middle part. Very decent middle part. That elastic band. 2 small plastic combs. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. What's really interesting about her is she is laceless. Let me just show you this hairline. She just comes out of the box just like this. So there's nothing you're going to cut, nothing you're going to color or tint. This is it. Let's get her on. Okay, now first of all, may I say that this cap feels fantastic. Nice and roomy. That's it. Now I love the way the light is just bouncing off of this as it is. I am tempted to add a little bit of my Shine and Sleek to this. Guys, it just doesn't get any easier than this. This we can definitely wear on the daily. Okay, final thoughts. I love her. It's just giving me length and volume, and it's not heavy. It's not super dense. It's just really comfortable. Hold on. So you can kind of see where she falls on me. I am 5'8", and this is where she lands on me. Love her ease. To take an already taken slogan, she is easy, she is breezy, and just so easy to wear. And she is just lovely. I'm glad I got her in the 1B. I really like this in 1B, although this would be, for me, stunning in a brown. I would love this in a brown. So we may have to go back. And the subtle layers just frame the face very nicely, at a beautiful interest that just goes all the way down. And if you want to shear this a little bit more and make more layers, I wouldn't be mad at you at all. Okay guys, I think I have found a new love, and I think she's going to be lovely for summer. Tell me what you think. It doesn't get any easier than this. I highly recommend this one. Thanks so much for joining me. One of the easiest installs ever. I'm always glad to bring those kinds of units to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, love to have you join us, guys. We just recently hit the 200 mark. I am I am so thankful to all of you for your time, your subscriptions, your feedback, everything. Thank you guys so much. And you go out and get on the daily with this one, guys. She is just absolutely stunning. Guys, thanks so much. Please have a blessed and wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.